Alright, Joe's out there playing. I'm gonna...
I'll call you if I have any questions.
no, I'm busy. So I'm gonna take these brand new lifts apart and see if they're any different than those ones over there that didn't work. Then we have no idea why they didn't work either. So all you dumbasses said, "Oh, put new lifts in, you cheap bastard." Duh.
Probably did that.
Been there, done that. More than once. What are you up to, about 50 videos now on doing these lifters?
I would imagine so. I know that my lady's pissed off I've been gone every night greens for a whole week.
Whole week you haven't been around. Oh well. Yep. What are we looking at? You're not looking at me, are you? There you go. Looking at lifters. Oh, that's a sharp knife. There we go. I've been scraping too much shit with it. Ooh, these ones say S&S all over them.
Yeah?
Well, these are not pumped up. They're rattling there. Okay, what do you think they're going to look like, Joe?
No idea.
I think they're going to look just like the one that took apart already from the crane.
Are you going to take the thing out of them?
They do the plunger.
Limiter?
Limiter? Joe, it's already knocking.
That means it wasn't pumped up in the factory.
They didn't put any oil in it at the factory except light duty crap. These are different.
Are they?
Yep. These are different than the than the old ones. So these old lifters were made just like the crane
They were
lifters.
packaged in 2019.
Yeah.
2022.
These are new ones. Oh, these are new ones. Look at that. They just made these last month. Hot off the old shelf. Where's the other package? The other ones are
Up
somewhere.
there underneath the box made by the...
Was back here somewhere. There it is. These ones are made in 2019.
Design change.
Yes, there is. So this has a heavier spring, a lot taller plunger. It's got a disc in here instead of a ball. So that means there's some kind of a spring into that also. And this one here, I'm not sure how this one comes apart. Then it has this special disc right here. And it's got our plunger and snap ring. So this disc is supposed to be doing something for the flow, I guess. My guess is it limits the flow. That'd be a flow limiter. That's all that does. That's a flow limiter. Because the only flow they're going to top in is that one little groove right there. That groove right there is the flow that goes to the top end. So if you have an automotive lifter, it probably does not have that in there. It's probably just direct flow. Being a Harley with limited flow, you got a flow limiter in it. Okay, so these ones might actually do something, I don't know. They are made differently. Totally different. I have seen this design before though. I think Harley lifters are made like this.
Hopefully it's an improvement.
Where's your flow checker? There it is. Okay, we're going to take our pressure tester. Oh, I can't check these ones. That's crappy.
Why? No valve in them?
It's got a hole in the body. I got to hold my finger over the hole to do it. Yeah. Well, I get up to about 15 inches maybe.
That's all?
Well, my finger, I got to hold my finger over the hole and I'm pushing so hard I'm knocking off the rubber tip. Okay, there's 20. About 21. Holding pretty good, considering my finger's doing the work up here. See, I'm holding my finger over the hole. Alright, looks like it's working. So these might actually be an improvement. Or not.
Positive thoughts today.
Positive thought. At least they're different.
Yeah.
Now, are they going to work any better is the problem. I think they're bigger diameter too. Oh yeah, way bigger diameter.
Piston?
Yeah. Way bigger. Bigger, longer, stiffer spring.
Extra hole in them?
Extra hole in them. Yeah, these might actually do something. At least they're different than the other ones, but I don't know if they're going to work any better. But they're different at least. Alright, so the problem with these is if I put oil in these, how long before they pump up? Or I mean bleed down so we can assemble it? That's a question. I need some thin ass oil somewhere. We'll be back. Back again. Okay, this has a limiter down inside the plunger that keeps it from bottoming out. So on a big high ass left cam, the limiter goes down under all this, goes right there, goes to the very bottom of the body down there. And it keeps the travel from getting very much. It cuts the travel in half so it can't bleed down very far. When you adjust these, you have to completely collapse them, and then you come up from the bottom, and that's how you adjust them. And the old instructions was a couple turns up or something. I forget what it was. Like 2 turns up from 0. Alright, so put our limiter back in there. Make sure it goes in there straight. Free lube in there. Some lube on your piston here so it's not dry. It's already getting stiff. Okay, we got our disc. Goes in the hole. We got our plunger goes in. Make sure you put the ball seat up. We're going to put the clip in there. And this style here uses a full snap ring style clip, not those little weird squarish looking ones, figure 8 shaped. And these have big ass holes in there for holding them. Done. Got that much travel. This is how much travel we got. How much is that?
All we need.
All we need. Not much. Alright, so those are different than the other ones we had.
Not to be confused with the 2019 model.
Yeah, the other ones. These ones with the figure 8 looking clips in there versus the full round snap ring style clip. That's how you identify which one you have. But that's a crane. Where's the S&S? That was a crane lifter I just showed you. S&S lifter. Full round versus figure 8.
Oh. What about the little holes on the outside too?
S&S had, this one had those old ones had holes in them here, inside, that are kind of
I
buried.
thought that was their new hot trick.
There they are right there. Yeah, they get the holes. These
These
do
don't
not
have it.
These don't have the holes.
You have a different part number, I think, too.
Racing style. Well, they discontinued lifters for a while, and now I know why. They changed the design and they came back out with them again. Because they were gone for like a year or 6 months. You couldn't buy them.
Now, what's the number on that one? 5342 or 5353 on the new one, right?
Same number, 5.3.
No, these are 42. 5342 or 5353.
You're going by the lifter number on the lifter, not on the paperwork.
33-5342. 0724. That's way different.
Mm-hmm. But those numbers you can't go by.
I guess not. The number on the box you can't go by. Yeah, the same
These
number on
numbers
there.
are the same.
Right.
52 has no limiter. 53 has a limiter. See, with limiter.
Yep. And what the mother numbers mean nothing. Would you quit throwing things around today for a little while?
No. That's how we do it around here. All right, that's it for lifter 101.
Lock's ready to come out.
Actually, I think there were about 501 by the number of times we've been these apart. Way back.